Every time a new technology emerges, society creates a monster to fear. For Bitcoin, that monster usually wears a black hoodie and types furiously in a dark basement. You've heard the story. The media tells you, Bitcoin is just digital code, and all code can be hacked. One day, a super hacker or a massive quantum computer will break the system, and everything will go to zero. It is a terrifying thought, but it is based on a fundamental misunderstanding of how the world actually works. You see, your bank can be hacked. Your credit card can be cloned. Even government databases get breached every single year. Why? Because they are centralized. They have a single point of failure, a front door that a hacker can kick down. But Bitcoin doesn't have a front door. It doesn't have a CEO, a main server, or a headquarters. It is a decentralized fortress spread across tens of thousands of nodes all over the planet. To hack Bitcoin, you don't just attack one computer. You have to attack them all simultaneously. The computing power protecting the Bitcoin network, known as the Hashrate, is greater than Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and every military supercomputer on Earth combined. But what about quantum computers? They ask. Surely a futuristic supercomputer could guess the passwords and steal the funds. Let's talk about the cryptography protecting your Bitcoin, specifically the SHA-256 algorithm. To steal your Bitcoin, a computer doesn't hack a firewall. It has to guess your private key out of all the possible combinations. Do you know how many possible combinations there are? The number is roughly equal to the amount of atoms in the observable universe. Let me put this in perspective. If you built a supercomputer that could guess 1 trillion combinations every single second, and you ran that computer since the Big Bang, 14 billion years ago, you still wouldn't even be close to guessing a single Bitcoin private key. To power a machine capable of breaking this math, you wouldn't just need a nuclear reactor. You would literally need to harness the energy output of an entire star. The harsh truth is this: Bitcoin has never been hacked. The math is impenetrable. The network is secure. The only vulnerability in the entire system is human error. People lose their money because they trust fake websites, they click on phishing links, or they give their secret passwords to scammers. The vault is unbreakable, but people leave the vault door wide open. Stop fearing the phantom hacker. Stop waiting for the quantum apocalypse. Bitcoin is the most secure computer network ever created by mankind. The real risk isn't that Bitcoin gets hacked. The real risk is that you stay outside the fortress while the fiat system collapses. Subscribe to see the truth.